Hey guys, welcome back. So now what we're doing is we're going to be canning some apple core and peel jam. So I have basically what I did is I took all of my core apples and peels and boiled them in water, and then I strained everything, and now I have 8 cups of that apple liquid in my back pot right now. Once that gets up to a boil, we're going to add in 4 cups of sugar, and then we're going to have a half a cup of lemon juice. And then if it doesn't thicken up enough on its own, because fruit does have pectin in it, then we're just going to add in one of our pectin packages. And we're going to let that come up to a boil, and we're just going to constantly stir it until it's thick enough. And yeah, and then we'll basically just jar it up and we'll water bath can that, and I'll be back for that portion, guys. Our apple peel jam is all ready. So we have the 8 cups of apple peel juice, 4 cups of sugar, 1 box of pectin, and then we have a half a cup of lemon juice. So now I've got my little jam jars here, and we're just going to fill these guys up. And then we'll just water bath can this for 10 minutes. Not sure how many jars we're going to get out of this, but we'll see what we have here. See what we can do. Looks really pretty, like a nice amber color. And just once again to the bottom lip. I know a lot of people with jams, they'll fill them up. They'll give them a little less head space, but I just do the bottom of the lip just as a normal guideline. Just checking on our apple tart. Our apple tart is almost done. If you'd like to check out that video. It's a really nice video. We're doing all apple stuff today. So today we canned the apple pie filling. We made the apple tart. And we made the apple jam, which you see here. And actually in this pot here, I have the remains of the apple juice from the peels. And I'm actually going to make a cider with that. So stay tuned for that video as well. It's really nice to be able to use absolutely every part of the product that you are working with. That way you don't really have a lot of waste. That's what we always try to do anyway. So once our jars are filled, like I said, I'm just going to wipe the rims, put our lids and rings on, and then we're going to water bath for 10 minutes. If you want to go a little longer and do 15 minutes, that's perfectly fine too. It won't hurt anything. But we will come back as soon as everything is done, just so you can take a look at the jars. Alright guys, the apple peel jam, or jelly, I guess it would be more of like a jelly because it's a lot clearer, has just came out of the water bath canner. So I'm going to let you have a look here. It's the half pints here in front. It's a really pretty like reddish amber color, and then you can see my apple pie filling in the back here. It's just all cooling. And if you'd like to see my video on the apple pie filling, definitely check that out. And so these are just now going to cool for probably till tomorrow, about 24 hours. And then I can wash them, label them, and put them away in my storage.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. It was really fun making, and like I said, we were able to use pretty much everything from the apple, which really made it special. So, and I'm also going to be, I have a juice back here that I'm actually going to be making a cider with as well. So stay tuned for that one. But thank you so much, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and definitely share these videos to someone that you definitely think would enjoy them. I really appreciate the support. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you soon.